Craig Coruscant been pushing you well this season. How important and crucial was those 3 points tonight?
Yeah, it was, definitely. It was, we're disappointed, certainly the first half and, against Connaskey. So, tonight was an important game that we won. Thought we're much, much better, created some great opportunities in a couple of counter-attack stroke mistakes from us in the set plays with their threat, as they scored from. But their keepers made 3 or 4 really good saves in important times and missed some good opportunities, so much better.
First, you've got to be pleased with the way, the game plan nearly worked out and the performance of your players this evening.
It's frustrating. I'm so disappointed for the lads in the changing room to give it everything tonight. We've got it back to 1-1 and then we've had a great opportunity. If we go ahead there, I think we win the game. I really do. And then, one comes off, Louis' foot comes in the air, the lad flicks it in, kills you.
Right, after Connaskey's performances recently, how crucial was that win this evening and the winning goal that clinched the 3 points?
Yeah, that was it. I think tonight was mainly about the result. Obviously, it's been postponed a couple of times, so it's been a bit frustrating, and I was just happy to get the game on. It was obviously still a bit tricky conditions. There was a few puddles here and there and stuff, so yeah, tonight was mainly just about the result.